Hello everyone! Welcome back to the DM32 walkie-talkie tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the APRS feature. With this feature, you can share your live location. This is vital for outdoor missions and emergency rescues. It uses the Automatic Packet Reporting System, or APRS, to let you monitor your team's location in real time. I'll show you how to get APRS up and running step by step. APRS Reporting and Setup. Set communication parameters. Go to Upload ID. Input the ID of the target device. Upload ID set successfully. Upload type. In Upload type, select the call method, private call or group call. Specify the information channel via report channel. You can choose the current channel. Configure positioning rules. Key setting determines the location update frequency. Choose your interval set, adjustable from 30 seconds to 2 hours. In Upload Beacon, select a positioning method, such as GPS mode or fixed beacon. GPS mode requires a normal satellite signal, while fixed beacon requires coordinates to be preset in advance using CPS software. Enable the APRS function. Press the menu key to enter the main interface. Select the APRS option and turn on the APRS switch to automatically report your location. APRS receiving antenna. Enable the APRS function. Go to Settings. Channel Settings. APRS receives. The device will now automatically capture the location data stream. View location information. Return to the APRS menu and enter APRS info. All received location reports will be listed here. Select any entry to view details, including call sign, coordinates, timestamp, and signal strength. And there you have it. You're now all set to use APRS to track your team and share your own location in the field. In our next video, we'll unlock the power of digital encryption. We'll show you how to make your conversations completely private with end-to-end encryption, perfect for protecting sensitive business data or coordinating a private expedition. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.